We're outside of Orsini's Appliances today, grilling on the Big Green Egg. We did everything from mac and cheese to steaks to bacon wrapped chicken thighs. And just showing the difference of why Big Green Egg is the most ultimate cooking experience for your backyard. We're a 50-year-old brand and it is a ceramic Kamado style cooker. The Big Green Egg holds in the heat and allows you to go from getting those nice sear marks on your steaks to doing your chicken, to baking your turkeys at Thanksgiving and your prime ribs at Christmas, and getting all the side dishes done as well. We have a lifetime warranty on all of our ceramic products, so when you invest in a Big Green Egg, you have one for life. We've been working with Orsini's for about 7 years, and they're just a great family-ran business here in Martinsburg. And they are the premium destination for all things Big Green Egg.